Okay, today we're cleaning a Smith Wesson Model 29 44 mag revolver, clear. And this is basically how I clean all of my 44 mags or Smith Wesson revolvers. So first thing I do is I like to go over all of the screws every time I shoot them. I notice this one always, as you can see, watch this. This one always comes loose, the one that holds on the sight. So I like to check all of the screws, and you got the cylinder release there. That one comes a little loose, but the main one is that comes loose all the time is the one on the top strap. So check them all. I checked these already, and then you want to check the grip on the bottom. So okay, so everything's clear, so I'm gonna be pointing it towards me, and I use the Hoppies or Hops number 9, and then the Militec oil, and I use a brush and patches, 3x3 patches, and then the 2-inch patches. So, and I got these little, I don't know, pipettes. I forget what you call these things. Just put some solvent and do the barrel. And then you do all of the cylinders. That. Then switch to the patches. And put some solvent on. This is a 3x3 patch. Just run it through. Right. I just run a few, and then after it comes out relatively clean, I put some oil in the barrel and the cylinders. Okay. Done with that. and I just run some oil, and over here there's a lot of build up carbon and stuff, so kind of oil that good. And top strap, and by the forcing cone, watch your fingers by the forcing cone. It's a little sharp where they cut it, so same there. And I run on the ejector rod. And under the ejector rod. And then you just want to give it a good wipe down, or with a light coat of gun oil, and then you should be good to go.